yourself at home. No, I'm not your mama, you teeny plastic human. But I sure am scared.
Well, you ought to be, city dog.
Well, well, well. What do we got here?
Seems like someone done crossed over to the wrong side of the dog park.
Dog park. Yeah, dog park.
Now, see, we're junkyard dogs. And being junkyard dogs, we've got but one job to do.
Yeah, just one job.
One job. One job. Which is...
To protect the junkyard from unwanted varmints.